GCSE June 2010, question 12. So last question then, question 12, 7 marks in total. You're going to hear the music 4 times. Normally the last question in the GCSE exam is a much more wider open-ended question, and you can see that from the layout. Here you've got to comment referring to rhythm, meter, texture and melody. It might be an idea here to actually write rhythm equals, leave the second line free, and then write meter equals, again leave the next line free, texture equals, and then melody equals, so that you can focus on those different areas. This question is worth, in total, 7 marks, so you know that you've got to sort of answer at least 2 answers on each of those sections and 3 answers on one of them, so that you can get your 7 marks. So let's have a listen to the music for the first time. Here we go, question 12.
Question time.
Right, okay, so some ideas that you could have got. Rhythm was marching, march-like. It was in either 2/4 or 4/4. Definite strong beats were on 1 and 2, and there were some dotted rhythms occasionally. Meter, we can say is 2/4 or 4/4. Texture, well, at the beginning it started off with sort of the whistles whistling a tune, so it was monophonic texture, but later we had a second melody came in, a counter melody, followed by a third sort of bass line, so it sort of went up in step, single, then it went to 2 parts and then a 3-part texture. Melody, the first melody, which was the whistles at the beginning, was quite angular, it was quite triadic, so we could say it's disjunct. But later on, our second kind of counter melody came in, which was quite legato and smooth and stepwise or conjunct. We had tonic dominant chords, and we had kind of drum fills put in there. Let's have a look at the mark scheme and see what they're saying. So mark scheme, here we go. Solo snare drum at the start, 2 or 4 beats to a bar, marching, use of fills or rolls, unison melody at the beginning, which was disjunct, 4-bar phrases, occasional quaver fills, tonic dominant. We had a counter melody, 3-part texture. We could call that contrapuntal when that counter melody came in. So lots of those things there we've got in the answer machine, and of course any other valid point that you put down. So remember, you've got 7 points on that question, so your valid points can be added into that total.